1902, when President Teddy Roosevelt was on a hunting trip, his hunting party captured a bear cub. However, being the kind and caring man that he was, the president ordered the bear cub set free. You see, I know the story well because my grandpa was that bear. When my grandpa was let go that day, he ran and ran through the forest until he was so tired he fell asleep. When he opened his eyes, he saw a jolly old man in a red suit serving him a bowl of honey, and he said his name was Santa. Grandpa told him his story, and with much surprise, Santa said, "Why, you must be Teddy Bear." That was 100 years ago, and to celebrate this special Christmas, Santa brought you, me, Humphrey Bear, the grandson of the original Teddy Bear. Oh, and Santa said to wish you